The final task that you may wish to complete is the modifying of ministry content. There are two ways to modify ministry content. The first is if you do not need to maintain the original file. If I wish to modify anything in the course that was given to me by the ministry, I can simply open the activity and then at the bottom click the edit button. This will allow me to manually go in and alter whichever page I happen to be on in whatever way I wish. This is in fact necessary for the Meet the Teacher and course outline sections of the ministry content. The alternative, however, is if you wish to keep multiple copies of a piece of ministry work. Perhaps you want an ELL version, an ISSP version, and a straightforward version. The simplest way to do this is to go into the activity which you want multiple versions of or that you want to keep a backup of, and then click Download. This will download the file to your computer. Once you have the file downloaded, you can then choose to create a new file. This would be a new lesson with a new title, as though you were creating it from scratch. I'm going to do this in my self-created ministry content folder. Just as we did for new content that we were writing, I'm going to click New and New Document. I'm then going to choose to copy from an existing file. From here, I can find the file that I may have downloaded on my computer and upload it. So I'm going to go to my computer and find the file. I have chosen to upload a content page, and here we have a copy of it. From here, I can then choose to modify the page in whatever fashion I wish. You'll notice that some of the photographs are missing. This simply means that I need to pull up the associated images as well. An alternative method of creating a copy would simply be to use the copy and paste functions and paste just as we did when we copied from Word in a previous video. One of the most common times when you may wish to modify a piece of content is to change the method of submission, change the deadline, or change the requirements that the ministry may have put on any file submission for the student.